Hello guys, welcome back to Academic Expert Gaurav. This is Gaurav Kwan. You are watching Academic Expert Gaurav. For more videos on UGC NET, JRF and other competitive exams and videos related to assistant professor vacancies and scholarships, you definitely subscribe this channel. दोस्तों, according to Hindustan Times portal, this article is coming to us. Will UGC NET be held on schedule after postponement of NEET PG and GMains? After the postponement of NEET PG to 2021 and GMains April session 2021 exams, will it be possible to conduct the UGC NET December 2020 cycle examination as scheduled amid the growing number of COVID-19 cases in the country? More and more students are now requesting the concerned authorities to delay the examination since the postponement of NEET PG and GMains examination. If the examinations are to be held as scheduled, then the admit cards for UGC NET May exam will have to be released within few days, maybe in 1 or 2 days, or maybe up to 22nd of this month. Once the admit cards are released, they can be downloaded from the official website at ugcnet.nta.nic.in. In case a candidate is unable to download the admit card from official website, then they approach between 9:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. or write at ugcnet@nta.nic.in. The examinations will be conducted in computer based mode only, guys. So now we have no exact information till now also what is going to happen. Either the exam will postpone or maybe the exam will going to held on the scheduled date. Hopefully, just we all hope for the best and go ahead with your best preparations and best of luck, guys. If exams are going to held on the scheduled dates or maybe exams will be postponed, I have also no clarity at this time, but I think because of postponement of NEET and GMains examination, maybe our examinations are also going to postpone. Maybe, I have no idea. So hope for the best. Take care. Please subscribe us and like our videos and comment whatever you think. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.